Nowadays, there are many applications which use prediction algorithm, and lots of them use prediction algorithm in a competitive environment. A natural question here is, what is the effect of competition on the choice of prediction algorithm? Are prediction algorithms optimal in isolation, still optimal under competition? If it is not the case, which algorithms are better? Let's consider a following toy experiment. Suppose that we are a firm who want to use ridge regression to predict housing prices. Ridge regression basically solves the optimal parameter which minimizes the mean square error minus lambda times a regularization term. Here, lambda is a tuning parameter which will be picked by the firm. It will control the bias and variance trade-off. Suppose the firm's payoff is a fixed reward minus the prediction error. Then it could be the case that the optimal payoff as well as the optimal bias and variance trade-off will be attained at some positive lambda. Now suppose that there is another firm who enters the market, and two firms want to compete for the consumer using their prediction. And specifically, the firm's payoff will then become the reward minus the prediction error if her prediction is better and zero otherwise. Then in this experiment, we will observe that the lambda will equal to 0. Namely, the lowest bias, highest variance will become the dominant strategy. In this paper, we studied the bias and variance trade-off under competition. To do so, we introduced a novel model, bias and variance game. Our qualitative results suggest that the optimal bias and variance trade-off in isolation may not be optimal under competition, and bias is more harmful than variance.